What's good, guys? So I'm going to do like a purchase. Someone actually hit me up on Instagram and said that he'll give me a box, and he lives hella close, so I'm gonna go meet up with him. And we're gonna grab this box, and then we're gonna unbox it in a little bit. It should be a fun time, and we'll see you on the road. Back in the car, and the deal's been done. The package is back here. And shouts out to the homie, because he was very, very cool. 17 years old, reseller. And I mean, I wish I could have done what he's doing right now at 17, reselling. I started at like, I want to say like 21 or 2. Not vintage, just in general. And I mean, I'm 27 now, and that's so crazy. But shouts out to him. We're gonna unbox this when we get home, which we're almost home. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the sanctuary. Alright, so we're home now, and I got the box right here. And honestly, I think we're just gonna go straight into it, because why not? You guys already saw the intro and everything. And just a little like kind of spiel. So I sell on eBay, Depop, and Instagram usually. So I get these wholesale or mystery boxes, and then I flip them on, you know, those websites and make my money back usually. So this one was from a viewer and someone who's kind of local to me. This was $2.25, and I don't actually know what's inside here or how many pieces are in here, but we're just gonna unbox it together, and let's just go. Alright, so the first piece is on a Russell Athletics tag. It is a Hog Capital World of Coeline single stitch. This is a clean shirt. I love the double-sided. This is a polo Ralph Lauren on a 2XL XL tag. It's a plain little essential here. White, nice clean shirt. Single stitch, of course. And yeah. First shirt, probably a nice 15 to 20 piece in my store. It has a nice double-sided graphic, and the polo shirt is about, I would say, 15 to 20 as well. I'd probably bundle that up with any other 2XL polos that I have, just to make it easier and a higher ASP, because I personally like $30 items or more, but you know, vintage, some pieces aren't going to be worth that much. But we're going to keep going. This is on Elite Sports, and it is a, I can't tell yet, 1999 World Series champion Florida Marlins. It's probably another $15 to $20 shirt on that. Keep going. This box is filled to the brim, so this is actually super dope. This is on a Guess tag, and it looks like it's just like a Guess essential. It's like embroidered Guess jeans. This is actually super nice. This is probably, I actually don't really like, I haven't really sold any Guess, so if I had to guess, this is probably, if I had to guess, this is probably like a $30 tee, probably a little more. We have on a Coke tag. It is, long sleeve, I like that. Got a polar bear, little Coke in his hand. There's a date on it. Oh, yo, this is sick, actually. This is like a Calvin Klein little ripoff. 1995. Damn, I actually like super like this. This is super dope. I want to say this is probably about a $30 tee. You don't really see much vintage long sleeves. It's kind of like hard to find them, honestly, but that's a bang. AU sportswear, made in the USA. And it's like a fishing shirt. This is kind of ill. Double-sided. It's got the moon up here. I think in my store I can get probably close to $30 on this, because it's a Henley, which is what these shirts are called. What they're just like a plain shirt with 3 buttons. Use that as a keyword. Single stitch. This is actually super sick. This is 1992, the year I was born. This is on a Hanes Beefy. Can't tell what it is just yet, but USSA. Oh, Desert Shield. Okay, I love these shirts. These shirts are always super sick. Desert Shield. It's 90. Desert Shield 90. So I'm gonna assume it's the 1990s. Another 20 pieces in here. This is on a Thunder Sportswear tag. I don't know what it is, but I feel like it's sick. Wanted by Thunder Sportswear. I think it has very USA Thunder vibes to it, but this is more research that needs to be done. Just based off graphic, it's probably a $25 to $30 tee there. Small tag. This is the I Love Lucy tee. I haven't had one of these yet. It's like off-white pinkish looking. I'd imagine $40 plus on that. I would have to do more research. This is probably a fire. Looks like a fire bootleg. Looks like it's a Guess tee. Super. Yeah. Guess where I've been. Okay, South Carolina. Yeah. I like the little ringer aspect of it. It's like teal green with the teal blue, and the pink and black just stands out. This is like based on that, it's like a late 90s tag. This is dope. This is like one of the things you'd probably get at like a rest stop or something. This is Winterland. Okay, a Winterland tag. This thing is thin as hell. Don't know what it is. Oh, yeah, yes. Okay. So we have here is a Doors tee. It's Jim Morrison, and this is a personal for a while because I'm a giant Doors fan. So I've been actually kind of wanting a Doors tee, and this looks like it's about to fit me. I like this. It's on it probably would have been a Fruit of the Loom tee tag. It's a Jaguars sweater. Nice little essential, 1993. This is probably a $30 hit, probably a little bit more. I like the old logo. The old logo looks sick on that. We have on a Hanes Stedman. And we got Save something. It looks like it's an animal t-shirt. Save Enterprise. Okay, I like that. This probably has a $15 to $20 range right here. Okay, we've got a Gear for Sports tag. Oh, this is nice. This is it's a Goodwin Racing, but it has that like guest like stripes on it. That's hella dope. It has like, yeah, this is cool. This is probably another like $25 to $30 piece right here. A Sigil Mega Tee. And nothing on the back. And the front is, all you need in this life is a tremendous sex drive and great ego. Brains don't mean shit. Captain Tony. And this is on an Anvil tag. Like late 90s. It looks like it's an Elvis tag or Elvis t-shirt. Single stitch. 2. The Legend Lives On 1992. Yeah, nice. Like it's got like the Easter vibrant colors. This is super sick. This has got to be at least like 50 plus, like 50 being like generous. Looks like the old sneakers tag. It's a Batman tee. This is probably a $30 tee in my store. I have a Superman tee. I could probably bundle them up. This one is it says 65, but that's not right. It's probably like either 88 or probably late 90s, like 95 or something. Right off the top, we got Star Wars t-shirt here. Star Wars tag. That's weird. Star Wars. Single stitch. Oh, bruh. This is I mean, this is in the personal forever. Yo, this is sick. Yeah. I mean, I don't even know. I'd imagine like 50 plus on this. AAA tag. Looks like it's a Jesus tee. And this is, I owe a debt I cannot pay. Pay the debt he did not owe. Okay. Has no date, but Honestly, you can't go wrong with the Jesus tee. This is probably a $30+ tee. I'd have to look into it. Eye tag. Nothing on the back, nothing here, nothing on the sleeves, single stitch. Is a Pennsylvania tee. Just looks like a regular, like another one of those you get at like a gas station. This is probably like a $15-20 tee here. Nothing special. I like that it has like, the thread count on this is like crazy on the people. Phillies. Just a little Henley. A little majestic on the sleeves. This is probably 25 to, probably 25 to be honest. I don't know, baseball tees don't really do anything for me. They don't really sell well, it's kind of weird. Alright, we got a Sherry's Best. This looks like one of those Mickey Mouse tees you find like on the corners like of the streets. Oh, I thought it was a ringer, but it just is like a double. Like there's two t-shirts just tied in together. I don't know. All the Mickey shirts to me are fire. This is probably, I'm gonna say like 25 to 30 because it is striped as well and definitely vintage. We got a Dynasty tee. Dynasty tag, which is usually some sort of sport. And yep, Packers, just big logo Packers, 1996. For sure, that's like a $20 tee right there. We got, oh, a Highland, I like Highland tees. So most of my football, most of my WWE tees are that. Everlast. Whitney Ford songs, sings the blues. I actually don't know who this is. The white boy is back. At first I thought it was like Eminem, but I'm like, nah, he wouldn't be wearing that. But I don't know. We'll see what this is worth. I don't really got a Sun Sportswear. It says it's 1X or 18W. I don't know what that means. But we have a Garfield tee on a purple shirt. This thing is boxy. Look at that. Dang. Like, I'm big, but this is huge. It's probably like a sweet tee. Did I ask you? Paula's Jim Davis? Probably $15 to $20 tee right there. Alright, we're on a Tooltex here. And we got a double-sided, like, whale shamu looking thing. This is kind of sick. This is probably like a $15 to $20 tee again. We're almost done in here. And I just wanted to say that this was a bomb box, just looking at it. And if you guys are looking to purchase anything or just any of that stuff, my information is down in the description. Got my Depop, my eBay, and my Instagram. Hit me up. I'm always active on there. If you guys have any reselling questions or anything like that, also hit me up. I appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. This road to like 100 has been super sick. And I mean, just, yeah, appreciate every single one of you. Here we go. Lee Sports. We have another Jacksonville sweater. This one is like these. I like the big, like, I have a few of these. I have like a Packers one and this one. This one's dope. That's probably another $30. Don't know what this is. It's the game. It's an XL. Looks like a raincoat, but it has like, okay, never mind. Got it. Alright. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay, yeah, this is another, this is actually super sick. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, okay, here, maybe you can see it on this side. It says Jaguars on it. I'm gonna take a video of this for you guys so you can see it, and I'll put it here where I'm talking. This is actually super sick. This is probably like $40 plus, honestly. This is super dope. I've never seen anything like this before. It's just like a windbreaker that's giant spell out of Jacksonville on it. Okay, Ocean's East Sportswear. And, oh, yo, that's dope. It's Alaska with like, has a giant embroidered like moose on it. Yeah, that's ill, that's ill. That's sick. This is probably a $40+ tee or t-shirt, sweater. on this. This is cool. This is super comfy. I may actually keep this myself. Like when I game, this will keep me nice and warm when I'm dropping in Warzone. And the last tee, it looked like to me would be the best one, is on a Nice Man's tag. And it's Wizard of Oz. And it's the Showman. This tee looks super dope. If only I had a brain on the back, which sounds like me. And it has no date, but this thing is dope. This is definitely like, I'd imagine over 40 bucks. Probably more than that, but I'm just being generous here. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what I'm doing to keep my keep myself sane and like still getting inventory. Just tell me what you guys thought about this box. I thought it was actually a really, really good box. Yeah, just leave a like, comment, don't forget to subscribe. I got more of these type of videos coming out ever so often, you know, probably like once a week. I have probably like 3 more boxes coming in, so we'll see what happens when that time comes. But till then, stay safe and wash your damn hands.